Welcome to the WormLab Detect and Track overview. This software has the capabilities to detect and track worms as well as provide our users with analysis data that can easily be exported to Microsoft Excel or MATLAB. Now let us get into what the program can do. On the left side of the window you can see the workflow menu. Click on Detection. Once you do, the Detection tab will appear at the right. I'll move my mouse cursor to the right side of the program window and click on the finger button next to the Detect All button. Next, click on the Worms Detect button. Then, click on the worm or worms that you want to detect. The selected is highlighted in yellow, showing the worm's outline, midpoint, head and tail, and the worm's ID. After selecting the worm or worms that you would like to track, you should then set the detection parameters that limit the size of worms you're interested in. Click on Set Parameters from Worms. This sets a range or worm detection parameter using the currently selected worms. If you've accidentally selected the wrong worm, then you can undo the selections on the image by clicking the Delete All button with either this frame or all frames selected. In order to detect all the worms, simply click the Detect All button. Once you have detected the worms that you want to track, either click the workflow box entitled Tracking on the left-hand side or click the Next tab over on the Tracking and Detection window on the right side. Next, choose the range of video or frames to process for tracking. After that, click on the Start button to begin tracking the worms. If you are interested in seeing how far along your tracking is, look in the bottom left corner to see how many frames it has completed. In the bottom right, it will tell you when the tracking is complete. This is a general overview of the tracking and detection functions of WormLab. If you have any more questions or would like to see more, please get in touch with MBF Bioscience at www.mbfbioscience.com, and we'll make sure that one of our staff scientists can answer your questions.